watching right now was created in less than 5 minutes. This brand new Instagram page has just started posting this one exact style of luxury car cover matting content. These videos are genuinely so satisfying and visually stunning to watch. Some of their videos have already reached 2.2 million, 1.3 million, and 1.3 million views. Now watch what I personally created with AI in just 5 minutes. Let me show you how you can create these for completely free right now. Start by opening ChatGPT and type this short prompt directly and hit enter. Within seconds, ChatGPT will serve you a list of engaging and visually exciting overing material ideas to choose from. If you don't like them, just type more and hit enter again. Once you have your car name and covering material ready, head straight to the description below and open the detailed prompt I have already written for you. Head to the very beginning of the prompt and you will find 2 designated sections, one for the vehicle and one for the material. Go back to ChatGPT, copy your chosen car name, and paste it right next to the vehicle section inside the prompt. Now copy your desired covering material from ChatGPT and paste it right next to the material section exactly like this. Once both sections are filled in perfectly, copy the entire prompt carefully from start to finish without missing a single word. Now head directly over to Google Flow. Select the video option, set your aspect ratio to 9:16, and choose OmniFlash as your video model and set your video duration to 10 seconds. And set your video outputs to more than 1. This gives you extra options to pick the best result from. Now paste your full copied prompt directly into the field and hit generate. And within just a couple of seconds, your viral luxury car cover matting video will be completely finished and ready to post. While our video getting ready, we will do same process to make another video. That's the easiest way you can create video in just 2 to 3 minutes. That's how your viral luxury car cover matting video will be completely finished and ready to post. So, that's the complete method. Now let's watch the full result together. If you want to discover more viral AI niches before everyone else jumps on them, then subscribe to my channel Hyman Hub and drop a like if this helped you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.